Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the color of an icon in PPT. Let's get started. At first, you have to go home menu, then click new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to insert menu and click picture drop down menu and click this device. Now insert your icon. Now select this icon and go to picture format, then go to color. Now choose any color what you want. There are many color. You can see I change the color of an icon in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.